How you guys doing today? I just want to take a little bit of time here to maybe do a little shop tour of my messy little shop I got going on here. Got a lot of plans out here to fix everything up, kind of make it a little bit better for the area that I have. And, well, let's just get to it and show you. Over there in that corner, I have my miter saw station that is started. You can't really tell until you see, oh, there it is. There's the miter saw. Everything's stacked on top of it right now. It's for a couple projects inside the house. Get them done. Be able to start working on this again. My plan is to take it from one end of the shed to the other, which is about 20 feet. And I've already got the bench built from inside to inside. Plan on stacking some extra tools on top of some shelves over top of it, and then have the whole flat area down through there, along through here. Have it be for putting things together, or assemblies, or anything like that that may need extra room for. Over here in this corner, I've got my little crappy pegboard, I guess you could call it. It's doing the trick for right now. Just got some odds and ends tools. I still haven't got everything straightened up from where I've moved everything around and things like that. This is one of the few benches I've got in here. It's roughly 2 foot by 4 foot. Serves a very good purpose. Over here is my second bench. Right there. It's about the same size. It's just about 4 inches taller. And along this wall right here, on the opposite side, got my makeshift tool cart that I used to use at a previous position that I had. It's a pretty good brand for the price you pay for it. I'm sure everybody's heard of Harbor Freight, but that's not too bad of a brand. Along this wall, I plan on taking and putting some French cleats along an OSB wall as soon as I get it insulated. And plan on hanging up most of my tools along this wall on the French cleat system. It seems to be a very good system to use. I know most everybody's already heard it, seen it, done it. It's a pretty good system. Right here is like a 1940s model Craftsman style drill press with some nice wreath or some nice grapevine on it. I'm gonna have to get this out of the shop right now. It keeps kicking my breaker. What it'll do is the breaker's on a 15 amp right now, and it's so old that it draws more than 15 amps when it turns on, so it's gonna need something like a 20 amp. Over here in this corner, more junk. It needs to be cleaned out. And here's my rigid, I believe it's either a 12 or 10 inch bandsaw. It's out of commission right now. The tires on it came off, the rubber part. I've got the piece ordered. It should be here in a couple of days. Try to get that fixed, to get that back in commission. Up here in the shed, we've got 2 lofts on both sides, filled with junk. Needs to be cleaned up. Here's my makeshift electrical system right there. Yeah, I know. Not very safe, but it's working for right now. It's only on when I'm out here. So, then along the other side of the wall, there's the other loft filled with more junk. Needs to be straightened around. But one of these days, it'll be a lot better in here than what it is. I just need the time to get it fixed up and get it all nice and cleaned up to be able to use easily. Right here's my cobalt air compressor. Bought about a year ago. It's done its purpose. It's pretty good. You can use it for just about anything, but air tools like sanders and drills and stuff like that, or grinders, it doesn't hold enough pressure long enough to run those, but it runs nailers pretty good, and to use a blow-off system, it works really good. Here's my rigid table saw that I've been kind of working on a crosscut sled on it right now with some other projects on top of it. It's a pretty good saw about 15 years ago. We had about $600 for it. It served its purpose really well. I took and extended these holders right here for the fence. I moved them over about a foot, so now I've got pretty much a 35-inch ripping capacity on this side, which helps out a lot. And I took an old router table here from Wolfcraft and slapped it between the two members for the fence, and it's been working really well for me. Got a bench here. My bench is 4 by 8. I figured, I need a fairly large bench to do some projects in. And even though my shop's only 14 by 20, I figured right dead in the center would be a good place to put this. It'll give me places underneath to store stuff. Later on, I'm going to try to put some extra storage cabinets in there with drawers. Be able to put most of this stuff up. And here's the barn doors that are really, really super cold in the winter time. One of these days, hopefully we'll be able to get a heater out here. Here's some more of my makeshift electrical work for right now. That about does it. Not much else to see here other than there's a lot of work needed. If you guys see anything that may help me, or anything that you think would make it easier for me to work in this little tiny shop of mine right now, I'd really appreciate it. So go ahead and comment down below and like and subscribe if you haven't already. You can come along and listen to me babble and about this and that, and maybe get a little laugh or two, and comment one way or the other how I'm doing, or what I need to do different, or what you guys would like to see me do or not do, or just tell me to go home and call it a day. So, well, till the next time, we will see you later. God bless you.